If you're waking up with bites and feeling helpless, this guide will give you the honest, practical answer and clear steps you can take tonight. Bedbug-proof mattress cover, also called an encasement, is one of the best single tools to reduce bites fast, but it's not a complete cure by itself. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bedbugs, click the link below. You'll learn what a cover can and cannot do, how to choose one, and the realistic, step-by-step actions to combine with it so you can get rid of bedbugs for good. Stops bites from bugs hiding inside your mattress or box spring. If bugs are living in the mattress, a quality encasement zips them in and prevents them from reaching you. It also makes inspection simple because a sealed cover keeps shed skins, blood spots, and live bugs visible on the outside. Starves or traps bugs that were inside when you sealed the cover. Over time, those trapped can't feed and will die. It can reduce your bite count immediately, and combined with laundering and other steps, many people notice fewer bites within days. A cover won't kill bed bugs hiding in other places like bed frames, baseboards, dressers, luggage, electrical outlets, or clothing. It won't stop new bugs crawling onto the bed from nearby furniture or walls. It's not a complete treatment by itself. You must combine it with other actions to remove the infestation. A mattress cover is essential for bite reduction and part of any effective plan, but it must be used with other treatments to fully eliminate bed bugs. Choosing the right encasement and using it correctly makes a big difference. A bad cover or a sloppy install just delays the problem. Look for a cover labeled bed bug proof or bed bug encasement, not just a mattress protector. Make sure it's fully zippered with a zipper cover so there are no gaps where bugs can enter. Choose durable fabric and sealed seams and look for tear-resistant material and a warranty. Size the encasement to fit your mattress and box spring. If you have a box spring, encase it too. Put the encasement on carefully so you don't squash or force bugs out onto sheets. Zip it fully and check the zipper. Keep the encasement on until you have no signs of bed bugs for at least 3 consecutive months. If you find live bugs on the outside of the encasement, treat surrounding areas and keep interceptors in place. Wash all bedding and anything that touched the bed on the hottest washer setting and dry on high for at least 30 minutes because heat kills bed bugs and eggs. Just put the clean bedding on the encased mattress and don't put unwashed items back on the bed. Move the bed a few inches away from walls and furniture so bugs can't climb straight onto it. If your bed has legs, install bedbug interceptors, small cup traps, under each leg to catch bugs trying to climb up. For our recommended bedbug supplies and encasements, click the link below. Use a comprehensive approach. Cover plus cleaning plus targeted treatments. Here's a practical plan you can follow. In the first 48 hours, encase the mattress and box spring. High heat wash and dry all bedding, clothing, and any curtains that touch the bed. Vacuum mattress seams, the bed frame, and nearby baseboards, then empty the vacuum into a sealed bag and discard it outside. Install interceptors under each bed leg and move the bed away from walls so bugs have a harder time reaching you. Use a contact spray for immediate knockdown and a residual spray for longer control, following label instructions and treating the bed frame, baseboards, and nearby furniture. Steam clean mattresses, sofas, and any cracks where steam is safe because steam kills bed bugs and eggs on contact. Declutter around the bed to reduce hiding spots and make inspections easier. If you travel or have guests, treat luggage and belongings and keep clean and unclean clothes separate to avoid bringing bed bugs back into the sleeping area. Spray twice per week for the first month, then once per week for 2 to 3 more months while you keep encasements, laundering, and interceptors in place. Inspect weekly and keep a log of sightings, bites, and areas treated so you can track progress. You don't see live bed bugs, shed skins or exoskeletons, fecal spots or blood spots for 3 consecutive months, the infestation is very likely eliminated. Stay consistent. Bed bugs return when treatment stops too soon. There are a few extra things you can do and a reminder that this is stressful but beatable. Small habits help a lot. Seal cracks and gaps in baseboards and around electrical outlets with caulk to remove hiding places. Wash and dry clothes immediately after returning from travel and keep luggage off the bed. Use mattress and pillow encasements for any guest beds as well. Keep a small flashlight and a magnifier for quick inspections each week so you can spot signs early and act fast. I know this is stressful. Sleep loss and fear about bites make everything harder. A mattress encasement gives immediate relief from bites. Combine it with laundering interceptors, careful inspection, and targeted sprays on a consistent schedule, and you can eliminate bed bugs. Persistence is the key. Don't give up after a few weeks. Stay strong. When you're ready, check our recommended products to get started with the right encasements, sprays, and interceptors by clicking the link below.